Having trouble with that infuriating Windows activation error 0XC004F213? This error usually pops up if there are issues with Windows activation, specifically after a hardware change or sometimes just due to licensing glitches. Don't panic though, we'll walk you through fixing this. First, let's run the activation troubleshooter. Go to settings greater than update and security greater than activation. If you see a troubleshoot button, click it. Windows will try to automatically detect and fix the problem, and often that is all it takes. If that does not work, move to the next step. Next, we'll check your Windows edition is correct. Press the Windows key R to open Run. Then in the text box, type Synfo3 to and hit enter. Take note of the OS name and the system type for later use. Then, carefully check for recent hardware changes. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by typing CMD in the search bar, right-clicking and select Run as administrator there. Type SLMGR DLV, then press enter. A window will pop up. This will give you detailed licensing information. Cross-reference your installation ID against the license key you have if applicable. Finally, if none of that has worked, you can try re-entering your product key in the activation settings. Click Change Product Key and enter the key you have if you don't have one. Check the store you purchased the original Windows license from for your digital license. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these steps has banished that pesky error code and your Windows is happily activated. If you are still having trouble, search online for your specific edition of operating system, as this can provide specific answers. Thanks for watching.